I love your haircut. Zari and Lily are talking in the hall at school.
The tickets to the concert this weekend cost $50.
We don't have $50.
Just then, Emily, their classmate, sees them.
Lily, I love your haircut.
Thanks. Zari cut it.
Yeah, I just learned how to cut hair.
Wow. Can you cut?
How much can you pay us?
Emily's friend, Sarah, hears them talking.
I also need a haircut.
I'm not sure.
Zari can do it at lunch.
What? I don't have enough time. And we have to go to Miss Taylor's science class after lunch.
You want to see your favorite band, don't you? Then we need money to pay for the tickets.
Later, Zari is cutting Emily's hair in the school bathroom. Emily looks at herself in a mirror.
I really love it.
You look great. Now pay us $20.
Lily looks at a list.
Sarah, you're next. Then Leslie.
Lily, we need to go to science class now.
Miss Taylor won't mind.
Suddenly, Miss Taylor enters the bathroom.
I found you. You all need to go to class right now. But not you, Zari and Lily. You need to go to the principal's office.
Oh no! I don't want to be in trouble.
Well, maybe you don't have to go too. The prince.
Yes!
But only if you cut my hair after school.
You want a haircut?
I have a big date tonight.
No problem, but it's going to cost $50.